So far, you have been learned different platforms. It may be blogs, my this one, my business, then website building, and Google Ads. If you like to analyze them, okay, in Google Ads you can analyze here itself. If you take up your website, you will not be able to analyze here itself. For your my business you have a insights where you can analyze the data. For a blogger again we have a stats where you can analyze the data like how many of them visited everything. But for your website you will not be able to analyze them, okay, in the sense how many of them you have been reached, who are all referring which page of your website. These things you will not be able to analyze by using this particular website. In the sense here itself will not be able to analyze. It is not only for the Google site. If you are developed a website from anywhere, you will not be able to analyze there itself, because these are not a platform, these are the codes you have been generated. To analyze this, we have a Google Analytics. Okay, we have a Google Analytics where it will be Google Analytics, where you will connect your website to a analytic platform where you can check what is about a customer visit, how many of them visited, from where they are, from which platform they are visiting. All these things you can able to understand by using a Google Analytics. Okay, if you go to here Google Apps, we have to go to more from Google. Once you have been in a went to go more from Google, we have to scroll down. Here we can see grow your business. We already learned about a Google Ads as well as a Google My Business. AdSense is nothing but you can put a third party ad in your ads. In a sense you can in your website, in your blog also we have been shown that in a earning section we can activate a AdSense account. Okay, by activating a AdSense account you can create a Google, this one AdSense. The next one is the Analytics. Analytics is nothing but where you will be connecting your website to a this particular platform, analytic platform, to analyze the data like who are all coming, how much revenue you have been generated. All these things you can able to do. We'll start with a just started, then sign up. Once you click on that, it will start creating a analytic account for you. Okay, now it is asking sign up for pre. So here it is started to create an account. Okay, here we have been started creating an account. First is a account name. What we can do, we can give our company name. Okay, account name has been given. Then next it is asking, would you like to analyze a web or app? If you have an app, you can give a app. We have only website, so we have been selected first option, website. If you have both of the website as well as the app, you can select this one. Go to next. Now it is asking for the website name. What name you have been given for the website? Then URL, website URL, it will ask. What we have to do, we have to go to the website where you have been created and select this link option. Okay, copy published site link, copy that one, copy, come back, Control V, then just we need a dot beta academy. It's saying that invalid. We'll check here. Go to publish link, view publish site. Then we'll select this particular website link. What happened here? Why it is showing like that? Because we haven't brought a domain name. Okay, if you have been here, we have to change here. It already start with the HTTP. So delete this one and say HTTP yes here. Okay, then site dot. Okay, it has been taken now, and we can say okay. Then industry category, we can select industry category here, which category it belongs to. Education is not there. Yeah, is there. Ours is education, so education we selected. And reporting time zone, it's India, so time will be recorded. Then say create. Now it will give you the one agreement, this one terms and condition. Say here India, then I accept here. Again scroll down, again accept that terms and conditions and say I accept. It will start creating a okay save. Then no thanks, because if you have any apps you can take up here. No thanks. Okay, once you have been done with this, here you can see one tracking ID has been generated. This is very important. Okay, this tracking ID we have to copy. Control C. Then we have to go to our website. Okay, in settings, in website you have a settings, analytics here. Then say here tracking ID, fetch that tracking ID. Okay, then enable analytics. This should be turned on. Okay, this is the how you have been connected both the platform, your page as well as a Google Analytics one. Okay, then for example, if you are built up website in some other thing, we have to copy this code. And we have to paste which are the pages you would like to analyze. There we have to paste this particular code in that particular page code. Okay, if you are written in a Java, or if you are written a programming in any other PHP or HTTPS, any HTML, any coding language you have been used, then what you can do, you can select this codes and you can say here they have been given some of the instructions, like in a heading you have to write these codes so that they will able to get the track. Okay, this is about how can we create in case you forgot to copy and paste the this particular code here. Okay, at the moment of creating a account, you have been closed. From where we can get this tracking id? We have to go to on a left hand side. You can observe here on left hand side. Okay, this arrow marks you can maximize. Okay, here on a left hand side we have a admin option. Okay, select that admin option. Option. In admin option, if you like to link any other website, you can link n number of the website to the one analytical platform. If you like to link any other website, then we have to select here create account. Then again same process we have to follow what we have been followed earlier. Okay, we already created an account. If you like to check the tracking id, if you like to get a tracking id, then here tracking info is there. In a property section we have a tracking info. Select the tracking info. In that code tracking code, the same code will be generated, okay, for this particular website. Okay, which website it is? This is nothing but our Beta Academy for that particular website. Okay, then we have to select that tracking code. We have to select that, control C, and we have to paste it in your website where analytics section is there. Okay, similarly we can connect a business. This one also we can connect. Okay, you can observe here it is already uh, for example AdSense account. AdSense account also we can check is it connected or not. Go to the tools and settings. Google Analytics will be already connected. It will be already connected. Here it is there, it is already connected. If you check the linked accounts, if you check the linked accounts, here Google Analytics also connected. Okay, Google Analytics also connected. Then any of the things, if you are the moment you created an account it will be show. Okay, this is how to create a Google Analytics account. Okay, once you have been created a Google Analytics account, from here you can change. If you are having a multiple website, here you can select that particular website to check the information, in the sense to analyze your website. We'll analyze our website, okay, by using this particular section here on a left hand side. Okay, here so many different data are available. We'll discuss one by one about all the datas, for all the datas.